Otis! I'm Captain Polly!
We're looking for gold. Let's count and see where the map will unfold. We need to cross the wavy sea. We need one big yellow sailing boat. One boat to keep our map afloat. One friendly shark says hello. Now let's see where we should go. Land ahoy, now count to 2 for fun. Two fast, colorful pirate cars driving under jungle stars. Two happy zebra stripes so neat. We can't stop, we're hard to beat. His car stops by the big blue sea. A little yacht waits just for he. Over waves he sails so free. One happy fish for him to see. Number heart appears. Dolphins jump and gulls all cry. Friends are waiting way up high. Now Pip arrives where trees are tall. Jungle calls him one and all. Two silly monkeys in the green. Happiest jungle friends he's seen. Number 2 appears. 3 yellow bananas, what a treat. Monkeys share their food so sweet. Number 3 appears. Under leaves he gives a peek. 4 bright numbers he will seek. Number 4 appears. 5 shiny numbers, now they're found. Best adventure all around. Number 5 appears. Inside the cave, a golden gleam, just like Pip's wonderful happy dream. Squawk, 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 says Pip the bird. He knows so many